so far I'm so happy, and you've not been referring what America has been doing. No, I've been saying there is nothing much America has done in this, but today I'm realizing that much of the help that they've done into our own facilities to our people is massive. Congratulations. We are looking forward to see if again there is more effort to be put into helping our people. As a big brother, of course, when you see your younger brothers in the situation we are in, we expect to have an hand of help as it has happened. Number two, this facility, is the oldest. It's 108 years, as just they've indicated. We are looking for a way to modernize it. Few of the parts you have seen is what we have done currently, and we are certain that in the near future we'll be able to realize. The mother-child, we're going to see it in another couple of minutes, is a dream of everyone in this county that it's operationalized. You had even, I didn't know that lady the other side where we saw the children, they are passionate that they can be able to move there. Hopefully that we'll talk about it. The doctors, congratulations, the staff here, I'm happy for the good work, you have shown. This is how we are operating it. It's not because you are coming in. This is what exactly happens. This gentleman has done a good job. He's the one actually who moved the collections from 47 million to 200 million, which is, great work with the team that is around. Allow me to ask the visitor to say hi to us and give us goodies.